Hey, DJ Angelo here and welcome to lesson number 9 of DJ Pro AI on your smartphone. Playing a live DJ set is a lot of fun, but navigating playlists to find and select music can be a tedious task. So here's some tips on how to make this process more convenient. DJ Pro AI has several ways to make your workflow more efficient, including its tight integration with streaming services such as Tidal, SoundCloud, Beatport, and BeatSource. Simply log into your streaming accounts via the Library Sources menu for the same seamless browsing experience, but with access to millions of tracks all ready to be mixed and remixed in real time. One of the additional benefits of DJing with a streaming service is that they can suggest music based on your listening behavior, and also for each track they have an option to show matching songs to help you discover even more music that might go well together in a mix. If you already have digital music stored on your smartphone or online clouds, you can also connect and mix with these files in DJ Pro AI. By selecting Files at the bottom of the Library Sources menu, then tapping on the plus button, I can now add files or entire folders from my iCloud drive. And even more sources via the Browse menu, such as Dropbox and Google Drive. External drives can also be used as a library source by connecting them to your smartphone via a compatible adapter. This gives us multiple options of how we choose to access music for DJing, and we can even move files around. To demonstrate this, I'm going to tap on my USB drive, select these 4 samples, and drag them over to on my iPhone. They're now stored on my iPhone's internal memory and can be used without the USB drive. I'm going to bring them into the sampler in DJ Pro AI. But first I'll need to create a new sample pack by tapping on the drop-down menu, then on the plus icon, and I'm going to name it My Samples. Now if I tap on the menu icon on any empty sample pad, then on the Add from Files button, I can select and open the 4 files from my iPhone, which brings them into the My Samples tab. They're now ready for assigning to whatever sample pad I choose, before exiting edit mode to save them.
DJ Angelo, you are sick for this one.
Yo, you're rocking with the people's champ, DJ Angelo.
Playing a live DJ set on your smartphone can require a lot of going back and forth from the library, so I'm going to create my own custom playlist for our final showcase set. Let's scroll to the bottom of the library menu, choose My Collection, then press on the plus button and select Playlist. I'm going to name the playlist Final Showcase. And now if I tap on it, I have the option to add songs from the library or from files. We'll be using all of the songs from the past 5 lessons, so let's select from the library. Now I'm able to group select the tracks I want to add to my new playlist. So from the R&B playlist, let's add Stuck Like Glue and Purpose. From the dancehall playlist, let's add Do We. From the hip hop rap playlist, let's add Climb to Power and Bad Girl. From the disco playlist, let's add You're Beautiful Baby and Do Your Hands Like This. And from the trap future bass playlist, let's add Savage. Now if I press done, this takes me back to the new playlist. And the last thing I'm going to do is tap on edit and then drag Purpose to the very bottom and drag Bad Girl above Savage. Then press done to finish. The playlist is ready to go, so now if I load the first track in my list to my deck, I can quickly load the next track on the list by pressing and holding on the track load icon and then selecting Load Next. So over the last 9 videos, we've covered a wide range of software features, DJ techniques, and track preparation. Now it's time to put all of this into action for one final showcase performance. See you in the next video.